Namaste. Today we are going to discuss about non-ideal solution. In before videos we are discussed ideal solutions. Now we are going to discuss about non-ideal solutions. Non-ideal solution means the solution which do not obey Raoult's law at all concentrations and temperatures is called as non-ideal solution. Okay. Non-ideal solutions containing solute and solvent. Solute taken as a component, solvent taken as a B components. Okay, now we are discuss about that characteristics for the non-ideal solutions. First one, statement for non-ideal solutions. The solution which do not follows Raoult's law at all concentrations and temperatures is called as non-ideal solutions. That means here the total vapor pressure of the solution is not equal to the sum of the partial pressure of two components like A and B. That means here PA is not equal to P naught A XA, PB is not equal to P naught B XB. Here PA is the partial pressure of A components, P naught be the vapor pressure of the P component like A, X is the mole fraction of component A. Okay. Second characters. The change in volume on mixing is not equal to 0. Is not equal to 0. That means volume of A plus volume of B is not equal to volume of solution like A and B. Next, the third character for non-ideal solutions. The change in enthalpy on mixing is not equal to 0. That means the change in enthalpy on mixing not equal to 0. And fourth one, force of attraction. Force of attractions. AA is equal to BB, which is not equal to AB. These four are characteristic for the non-ideal solutions. Okay. Look here. The solution in which solutes solvent interaction is different than solute-solute and solvent-solvent interactions, which can deviate from ideal solutions, is called as non-ideal solutions. So this non-ideal solution can be classified into two types. Non-ideal solution shows positive deviation. Non-ideal solution shows negative deviation from Raoult's law. This non-ideal solution shows two deviations. One is non-ideal solution shows negative deviation from Raoult's law. Second one, non-ideal solution shows positive deviation from Raoult's law. Look here. First one, non-ideal solution shows negative deviation from Raoult's law. Second one, non-ideal solution shows positive deviation from Raoult's law. Now we are going to discuss non-ideal solution shows negative deviation from Raoult's law. Look here. Here first one, the total vapor pressure of the solution is lesser than vapor pressure obtained from Raoult's law. That means here the total vapor pressure of the solution Pt is lesser than Pa plus Pb. That means partial pressure of A component less than P naught A XA, partial pressure of B component less than P naught B XB. And second character for negative deviation of non-ideal solutions, look here, the change in volume on mixing is less than 0. That means change in volume on mixing is equal to negative. Next, third one, force of attraction in between solute, comma, solvent and solute. Look here, force of attractions AA means solute, BB solvent interaction, AA BB interactions lesser than AB interactions. Next, fourth one, change in enthalpy on mixing is less than 0. That means the change in enthalpy on mixing is equal to negative. The change in enthalpy on mixing is equal to negative. The change in enthalpy less than 0, that means the change in enthalpy on mixing is negative. That means here heat released in the formation of AB is greater than heat absorbed in the breaking of AA, BB components. Look here. That is heat released in the formation of AB is greater than heat absorbed in breaking of AA component, BB component. These are the characteristics for the non-ideal solution shows negative deviation from Raoult's law. Now we are going to discuss about graph for the non-ideal solution with negative deviation from Raoult's law. Look here. In y-axis we have taken vapor pressure, x-axis we have taken mole fraction. Here XA is equal to 1, XB is equal to 0 here. If XA is equal to 1, that means this is P naught A. XB is 0 here. Here XA is equal to 0, XB is equal to 1. If XA is equal to 0, PA is equal to 0. If XB is equal to 1, PB is equal to P naught to B. It is denoted like here. This is PA curve. This is PB. I want to total vapor pressure of the solution. If you want total vapor pressure of solution, means join these two extremes to get a total vapor pressure of the solution. This is the P total is equal to PA plus PB. But I want to draw for non-ideal solution with negative deviations. In this case, what happened here? Total vapor pressure of the solution is less than that of vapor pressure obtained from Raoult's law. So that means, so vapor pressure of the solution is less than to the vapor pressure of the solutions. For negative deviations, it is denoted by dotted lines. This is the graph for negative deviations. This is the graph for negative deviation. Here, PT less than PA plus PB. That means total vapor pressure of the solution lesser than the sum of the partial pressure of A and B, which is represented these dotted lines. This is. Do you know that PA is equal less than P naught A X A here? So partial pressure of the solution for A component is lesser than partial pressure of pure component A into mole fraction of A. So here partial pressure of A component is lesser than the vapor pressure obtained from Raoult's law. So it is denoted by these dotted lines. B also like that. This is B. This is B. Okay, this is graph for negative deviation for non-ideal solution. Okay. Now example for non-ideal solution with negative deviation. Examples for non-ideal solution with negative deviations. Look here. Now I am taking here chloroform and acid. Look here. Acetone chemical formula CH3 single bond C double bond O CH. Chloroform structure HC Cl here. Look here. Here oxygen, carbon double bond oxygen in acetones. Here hydrogen bond with carbon in chloroforms. In between the oxygen and hydrogen, a strong bond should be formed here, that is hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bonds. Look here. When compared to carbon and chlorine, chlorine is a more electron negative charges. This bond pulling itself. Look here. This is a partially double positive, single positive here. Here bond is formed in between the oxygen and hydrogens of acetone and chloroforms. Here what type of bond is formed here? Strongest bond is formed like hydrogen bond between oxygen of acetone and hydrogen of chloroform. That means molecules are very close together. That means vapor pressure of the solution is decreases. Here that means here what happened here? Here hydrogen bond is formed in between the oxygen of acetone, hydrogen of chloroform. That means here bond is formed. If the bond is formed means amount of heat is released. That means it is change in enthalpy here, change in enthalpy on mixing here, negative charge, because here bond is formed, then heat is released. That means here change in enthalpy on mixing is negative. That means heat release. Heat release. This is the example for the non-ideal solution with negative deviations. So we look for another example. Okay, example for non-ideal solution with negative deviation. Acetone and chloroforms, haloforms and oxygen nitrogen containing groups. Like here we take CHCl3 and C2H5 and H2 amines. Ethanamide, strong acid and waters, methanol, benzene, chloroform and benzene. These are the example for solution containing non-ideal solution containing negative deviations. Now we are going to discussing non-ideal solution containing positive deviation from Raoult's law. Okay, look here. First one. The total vapor pressure of the solution is greater than the sum of the partial pressure of A and B components, PA plus PB. That means here PA greater than P naught A XA, PB greater than P naught B XB. Second one, the change in volume on mixing is greater than 0. That means the change in volume on mixing is equal to positive. Next, force of attraction. FA means here force of attraction. Force of attraction. Look here. AA and BB interaction is greater than AB interactions. AB interactions. Fourth characters. Look here, fourth character. Change in enthalpy on mixing is greater than 0. That means change in enthalpy on mixing is positive. That means here heat absorbed in breaking of AA BB is greater than heat released in the formation of AB. These are the characteristics for non-ideal solution with positive deviations. Okay. Now graph for non-ideal solution with positive deviation. Vapor pressure taken on y-axis, mole fraction taken on x-axis. XA is equal to 1, XB is equal to 0, XA is equal to 1 means this is a P naught A, XA is equal to 0 here, XB is equal to 1, this is the P naught to B. This is the total vapor pressure of the solution. P total is equal to PA plus PB This slope is PA, this slope is PB. I want to the graph for non-ideal solution with positive deviation. So generally, do you know that PT is greater than PA plus PB? That means total vapor pressure of solution is greater than that expected vapor pressure of solution than Raoult's law. That means it is denoted by dotted lines like this. This is the P total. PA is greater than P naught A XA. It is represented this dotted lines. PB is greater than P naught B XB. It is represented. This is the graph for non-ideal solution with positive deviations. Okay. Now example for non-ideal solution with a positive deviation. Water and benzene, water and toluene, carbon tetrachlorides, chloroform, carbon tetrachlorides, toluene, acetone and benzene, cyclohexane and ethyl alcohols. Look here. For example, if you take this first one, water and benzene. Generally, benzene having weak van der Waals forces, water having strong hydrogen bonds. So when this molecule mixing together, when these molecules are mixing together, the force of attraction is decreases. The force of attraction is decreases. The force of attraction decreases means its vapor pressure is more for the solution. Then volume also increases than the sum of the volume of A and B components. So vapor pressure also increases. So these are the example for non-ideal solution with a positive deviation. This is today's sessions. Okay, thank you. This is today's sessions. Thank you, Mananda. Thank you very much.